Watch AI create an agricultural project. Weekly operations dashboard from scratch in under 2 minutes. This is what we're building, a comprehensive dashboard with multiple charts and data tables. This is the data we're working with from our agricultural operations. Let's create it live. We start by importing our Excel file into Bricks. The data uploads instantly, and now we click Create Dashboard. Bricks AI immediately begins analyzing our agricultural data, identifying key patterns and relationships. It's automatically generating multiple visualizations, progress status distributions, top issues encountered, weekly area management trends, and project breakdowns by crop type. The AI understands our data structure and creates both interactive charts and detailed summary tables. This intelligent analysis happens in seconds, building exactly what agricultural managers need to track operations effectively. Our agricultural project weekly operations dashboard is complete. 5 dynamic charts and 2 comprehensive tables generated automatically. Now we can customize the visual theme to match our brand preferences. Let's switch to presentation mode to see the full experience. This clean, focused view is perfect for team meetings and stakeholder presentations, highlighting our key agricultural metrics without any distractions. The presentation format makes complex farming data accessible to any audience. Back to interactive mode, we can explore all features and scroll through our complete dashboard. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.